Hey everybody, it's another person, and today we will be playing some more Minecraft. And honestly, today I feel like playing Master Builders, which is kind of build better, better, if you know what I mean. And I obviously joined the green team because they just put me in that place. So yeah, literally. No. And we will be playing Castle. I'm gonna go for Sand Castle. Okay. Um, um, yeah. 4 remaining minutes. Okay. Help me. Stop. Uh, okay. Oh yeah. Money, girl. Okay. Okay, 2 minutes. 2 minutes. Okay, I'm scared. I'm scared now. I just thought of something. Tutus and tennis shoes. Tutus and tennis shoes. Tutus and tennis shoes. I'm not gonna be able to finish this, am I? Blood. 1 minute. I'm clicking my heart away. I think I'm almost finished too. Okay. There's one feature I wanted to add. Okay. This is not great tool. 15 seconds. Okay, I'm done. I'm totally done. That looks so crappy and derpy. No! Stop. Oh, the car. Shoot. Okay, no. This is mine. They can't even see. I got a 0. Uh, no, that's just, my eyes are burning. I gotta shoot. Like blood. Oh, my eyes are burning. See, people, you gotta make something. You can't just make nothing. You gotta make something. I shoot. Eh, you're joking. Is this really what you came up with in 5 minutes? Seriously? What? Ooh, not bad. If you finished it, it would have been better. Yeah, it's okay, man. Um, okay, you're kidding. Oh my god, how did I just, like, blah. Show me what you want. Oh, this is good. If you finished it, it would have been better. A corre shoot. It's coughing. This is all you came up with. Huh? You might have do. Sorry, bruh. Sorry, bruh. This is a hattie. I don't know what I got. What did I get? I got nothing because I'm a sore loser. Nobody likes me. Wah. Anyway, hopefully you guys enjoyed. Okay. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video, and if you did, like and subscribe. And I'll see you berries in the next video. Bye.